Hello YouTube, I'm Dylan, and in this video, we are going to draw the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles teacher and adoptive father, Master Splinter. So grab a pencil and a piece of paper, let's begin. So we need a simple circle that will start for the basis of his head, and then you're going to draw kind of an oval shape, or a sideways U, or a backwards C. That's where the front of his face will be. Then we need to put guidelines to know what's going to go where. And then we need to draw kind of these square shapes for his main body, because he wears a robe. And remember to always draw very loose and light at first, because we're not going to use all these lines later on. We're going to cover them up. Okay, so we got those basic shapes in. Now let's draw his eyes. His eyes are not perfect circles. They're almost kind of like ovals. Well, half ovals. And remember, he's got eyebrows we got to put in. And now we need to give him his eyebrows that go with these zigzag lines. This side will be smaller, and this side will have more points, and they go like this. Okay, so we got that, and don't forget to give him some pupils. Give him the top bridge of his nose. Including this area. Put a little line under that eye. Then here's the side of his mouth. We're going to make him look a little bit serious, but somewhat happy too. There's the tip of his nose, and here's the nose itself. It's an upside down triangle. And here's his lower lip, the bottom side of his chin, and draw these hairs that go underneath him. And now we have to draw the top of his head. And then we need to get the bottom side of we gotta get his neck, which is gonna have more zigzag lines. This is a little tricky, so take your time. You may need to pause the video when I finish with it, or at certain parts. Take your time. We're trying to indicate his furry head and body too. And now we gotta get his ears. His ears are almost square shaped. Here's one ear, and then you only see the back side of this one, so you're just going to draw this, like that. And now we have to draw his robe. So right here, we need to draw kind of a V shape that goes like this. And now we need to draw the stripes of his robe that go like this. And make sure this one goes on top. And then raise these lines down a little bit. And then draw this area that's going to be the belt of his rib, of his robe. Then draw that side. And we can't close it off yet because we got to give him his hands. So we'll get that side. We'll get this side right here. And we're going to draw his arm, which is going to go like this. It's going to have a lot of folds and triangle shapes. Like a fold here. Give him this side right here. Here's the sleeve of his shirt. First we get in the rim of the sleeve. And Master Splinter has 3 fingers that go like this. All like that. And then we draw the inside of the sleeve. And we got to get his belt. But first we need to put the knot, which is going to go like this. And then draw the parts of the knot. And here's the tassels of his knot. And then here's the inside of that one as well. Get the inside here. Here's the inside. The belt. We need to get the bottom of his robe. Here's the bottom end. Then we need to draw some fold lines that go like this. And we need to get the other side of his robe. All right. Now that we have that, we're going to get his other arm, which will be starting with a triangle. Here's the sleeve. And now we need to draw his hand. And he's gonna be showing, he has 3 fingers and a thumb. So here's his thumb on this hand. We need to get his palm. And then here's his pointing finger, his middle finger, and they're shaped like claws, and this is the pinky. Okay, so we got that. Now we're going to throw in his feet. So we'll draw these zigzag lines. That's his foot, and he has 3 toes, so we'll lightly indicate those with 3 circles. And his toes are like claws as well. Okay, now we need to get his other foot, similar pattern. We gotta get his toe claw right there. Here's the other toe. The back side there. And then we need to draw his tail, which is gonna go like this. It gets thick on this end and gets really thin to a point in the end. All right, so we got that. Now just draw these lines that go all the way around the tail. These are like the rims. If you look at a real rat's tail, you'll understand. And there you have it. You have your very own picture of Master Splinter from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles franchise. Hope you had fun. Make sure to like, subscribe for more, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.